Hello guys, want to turn yourself, your boyfriend, or even your pet into a cartoon character in seconds? Today I'll show you how to magically convert photos to cartoons with the ImagineArt AI cartoon generator for free. No Photoshop skills needed. If you're interested in the topic, don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. ImagineArt AI cartoon generator uses advanced technology to create professional cartoon characters from text prompts or image references. You can even freely download generated cartoons without watermarks. Now let's learn why ImagineArt stands out. 1. Smart AI interpretation. The AI understands even quirky prompts like cyberpunk cat wearing sunglasses and delivers spot-on results. 2. Print-ready quality. Get crisp, high-resolution cartoons perfect for merch, social media, or framing with no pixelation or watermarks. 3. Endless creative options. Generate 4 unique versions from your photo and switch between cartoon, comic, or watercolor with one click. Here is how to convert photos to cartoons using ImagineArt for free. Step 1. Go to the ImagineArt AI cartoon generator website and create your account. Click Image Studio, text to image. Step 2. Upload your image in Image Guidance. Then select models, aspect ratio, and styles. Step 3. Click Generate. Wait for a while, and a cartoon image will be created instantly. Then download the cartoon image. Now it's your turn. Comment with a photo you'd like to cartoonize. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.